Hello guys, this is boy Muhammad. I'm back on another video from how to PC channel. Today I walk you through how to disable game DVR. This step is very easy. You go to start menu and go to setting. From setting you go to gaming. From gaming you choose the expose game bar. Use hazard. This capture. You need to disable background recorder. You need to disable it. Scroll down and you need to disable recorder audio. You need to disable it. That will fix the problem. This video for today I hope helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe my channel to see new stuff and see you next time guys. Bye bye.